Welcome to another how-to video. Our topic for today is very quick and easy. So today we're gonna deal about unlinking Gmail accounts. Now open your Gmail account or Gmail website. As you can see, we're using the Gmail website. So all you have to do is click settings on the upper right of the website screen. Now click see all settings. In the settings tab, click accounts and import. While we are in the import tab, go to send mail as section and click delete. Like mine, as you can see in the video. Click OK if they ask for permission. And that's it. That's how easy you can unlink Gmail accounts. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.